Whoa. Don't go anywhere.
Kiss. Give Grandma a kiss.
Come here. Give me a kiss.
Give Grandma a kiss.
Kiss.
Give Grandma a kiss.
Oh, brother.
Looks like we're forcing her.
Oh, my goodness.
Give Grandma a kiss.
What was that all about?
Give Grandma a kiss.
Kiss. You getting the sleep out of your eyes or something? Huh? You're awake
She's
now.
getting embarrassed, I think.
Yeah, she is. That's so funny.
Hey, give Grandma a kiss.
You're right. That, you know what? She's gonna run from that thing later.
Great. Just like John.
Yeah. I mean, you.
True.
Everybody in our
Jaden.
family.
Jaden. Jaden.
Jaden.
You can't hide behind the couch.
Jaden, look at my eyes. Look at my eyes.
Give Grandma a kiss.
Hi. You can give me a kiss? Come here and give me a kiss. Come here and give me a kiss. Come here. Give me a kiss. Come here.
Yay!
Come here.
Kiss.
Give me a kiss. Come on. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Thank you.
Yay!
You sweetie pie.
Yay, Jaden!
She is embarrassed.
So funny.
It's back to you with that funny half smile.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
More.
Finger.
That means more.
Yay!
More?
Yay! Such a bandit.
She just does it for the...
I love the little finger thing. Where are you going? Goodness. That little finger thing she does.
Yay!
You can't help it. You got teeth? You got some teeth? Yay! Oh, goodness.